Bendix offers the perfect direct OE replacement rotor for everyday vehicles with the Bendix General CT disc brake rotor, which feature new industry-first SwiftCheck wear indicators. Utilising circular grooves that are machined into the rotor surface, the SwiftCheck wear indicator narrows and disappears progressively to display varying degrees of wear so that you know when a replacement is required. This gives you a quick and easy way of estimating remaining rotor life, saving you precious time in the workshop. Designed to provide your customers with reliability and durability, Bendix General CT disc brake rotors are perfect for customers looking for confidence-inspiring braking and are perfectly suited to Bendix brake pads to provide your customers with a match braking solution that works. Thanks to high-quality metallurgy, General CT disc brake rotors provide improved heat dissipation for reduced brake fade under demanding conditions, while also offering added longevity and value for your customers. To help save even more time on brake services, Bendix General CT disc brake rotors also come complete with our SwiftFit coating to eliminate the need for cleaning prior to installation. With Bendix's focus on sustainability, we have adopted new FSC certified exterior packaging, which is suitable for curbside recycling. This new packaging also introduces new easy carry finger holes, which allow each box to be handled more ergonomically and with greater ease. Ask your local parts retailer for Bendix General CT disc brake rotors and Bendix brake pads today, or for more information visit www.bendix.com.au.
Bendix. Put your foot down with confidence.